Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, my name is Savannah, and I am coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Tuesday, October 14th, 2014, and weather today, the village of Schaumburg is expected to have a high of 65 and a low of 50 with thunderstorms. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Jumpy. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Chicago Bulls won 110-90 against the Denver Nuggets last night. Clubs meeting today are the Green Thumb Club, Group A at 3 o'clock in room 103. Junior Gems Club, 3rd and 4th grade at 3 o'clock in room 115. The Game and Conversation Club at 3 o'clock in room 109. The 2D/3D Club at 3 o'clock in room 104. Coders Club at 3 o'clock in room 208. The Co-Coders Club at 3 o'clock in LRC. And tomorrow morning, Chess Club for 5th and 6th graders will meet in room 110 at 7:45. Here's today's fun fact. Around 8% of children and 2% of adults have some kind of food allergy. This happens when the body's immune system thinks a certain food protein is harmful and attacks it. Common food allergies include peanuts, gluten, and shellfish. This week's pre-broadcast pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by the first graders in room 107. That's all for today. Have a terrific Tuesday. Or not, the choice is yours.